Hello viewers, today I will show you how to set up fingerprint login on your laptop step by step. In the first step, make sure you have created a user account with password. If there is no option to set a password in the control panel, don't worry. Just go to the setting menu, scroll down and click on accounts. Here under sign in options, choose password and create your password if you have not already. Now go to the fingerprint recognition option and click on setup. Click get started to begin. Follow the instructions and place your finger on the sensor multiple times until it's complete. Once done, your fingerprint is set up and ready to unlock your laptop. Now set up a PIN, then first verify your account password. If you ever want to remove the fingerprint, just go back to the same sign in options section, click remove and your fingerprint data will be deleted from the system. Now you know how to add and remove fingerprint login on your laptop. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.